Statement on the burial arrangements and the body movement of the late national hero, Brigadier General retired Mark Charles Chimwaza on 20 December 2025, National Heroes Acre. Sadapena mashoko arubuditsa panguwa ino the Minister of Home Affairs panguwa ino vachitaura pamusoro aiwa the movement the body pauchete aiwa nemabhero arrangements toba subscribe or like out on the bell akutipinda pana papombura mino kwa mchinzi. The Minister of Home Affairs and Cultural Heritage wishes to advise the nation that the late national hero Brigadier General retired Mark Charles Chimwaza, who passed away on 13 December 2025, will be laid to rest on Saturday, 20 December 2025, at the National Heroes Acre. His Excellency, the President, Comrade Dr. Mnangagwa, will preside over the burial ceremony. Today, Thursday, 18 December 2025, a military parade in honor of the late Brigadier General retired Mark Charles Chimwaza was held at Charles Kumbo Barracks. The board of the late Brigadier General retired Mark Charles Chimwaza will lie in state at the family residence at house number 5373, Kwazana 7 Harare, tomorrow, Friday, 19 December 2025. From 1400 hours, the late national hero's body will be taken back to Charles Kumbo Barracks, where it will lie in state ahead of burial on Saturday, 28th of December 2025. Gates open at 0600 hours, and mourners are expected to be seated by 700 hours. Members of the public are invited to come in their numbers to give a befitting farewell to the illustrious son of the soil and dedicated patriot. Thomas Kwanubda Togo Pangwa Ine Omsudma proceedings Iowa a burial at the late Brigadier. To the Mafungro A Mod Kudi Pamsoro, Pechit Kudish Pinang section made Mafungro A, so subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.